Yun.
Magandang umaga. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We are live here at the Media Conference Hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building, right inside the Rizal Indoor Sports Complex. And this morning, we will have an interesting topic. This regards about Open Water Swimming Championship. Yes, open swimming is a sport under a controlled environment. It is safe. I'm Randy Caluwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning po sa mga taga-PSA. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming sa pamagitan ng ating Philippine Sports Writers Association Facebook page. And of course, delayed basis tayo sa DCSR, Sports Radio 918. Mamaya po, muli natin malulunig ito. So, ako po si Judy Karingal. Samahan niyo kami for this very interesting PSA Sports Forum.
Bago ipakilala natin mga beloved gentlemen partner, nais natin pasalamatan natin mga sponsors, hindi ho President, PSA President,
Jonas,
Carlos Ochoa. Maraming salamat po. Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo Philippines, San Miguel Corporation, and Arena Plus.
And yes, we're so happy to welcome here with us for the very first time, I think, the Philippine Aquatics Incorporated here at the PSA Forum. Yes, first time, because we are hosting the 4th Southeast Asia Open Swimming Championships. Yes, so we have our Vice President, Jojo Quilo. Hello, good morning. We have also our Executive Director, Sir Anthony Reyes. Hello po, welcome to the PSA. And our Olympian, our multi-medalist in the SEA Games, Secretary General of Philippine Aquatics Incorporated, Sec. Jen Eric Buhay. Welcome po. And of course, our Commissioner, PSC Commissioner Matthew Fritz Gaston. Magandang araw, magandang umaga. Opening remarks from our gentleman, siguro si Sec. Jen Eric. Please.
Thank you very much po, Ma'am Judith. Palagi kong si Judith sa Sports Radio, naalala ko, pupunta pa ako doon all the way there. Salamat Randy rin sa lahat po ng mga members ng PSA. Nice to see you again. Tama nga ho, first time po namin na makaupo dito sa harap ninyo. Thank you for the opportunity to promote the 4th Southeast Asia Open Water Swimming Championship. And mihingi po kami ng inyong suporta para po dito sa event na to. At karangalan po rin po namin na makasama ho sa harapan ang aming pong sinasandalan, matibay na pader ng natin pong kinakailangan ng Philippine Sports Commission, si Commissioner Fritz Gaston. Si Com Fritz po ang aming kayo ang nasa harapan. Kayo ang aming sinasandalan. Of course, si Chairman Patrick Gregorio rin ho, na talaga ho 100% ang support ho sa amin. At thank you ho sa PSC, sa PSA for all this support. Good morning po at good day ho sa lahat.
Yes po. And of course, former PSC Chairman, si Chairman Eric Buhay. Sino makakalimutan?
NGAP Chairman.
NGAP Chairman. Kung Fritz, opening remarks po, you represent everybody.
Hello, magandang umaga sa lahat at dito sa PSA Forum natin. No? Again, this is very exciting, although we found out this morning na sasama ko dito and I'm very excited kasi nga, I think i-mention sana ni Olympian natin, si Sec. Eric, na ako ang oversight kasi ng swimming. When I took swimming, talagang for me, swimming we should be in the world top in swimming. So, ayan ang challenge ko dito sa ating NSA na to, itong baguhan natin NSA. In fact, ang target is Olympics. Saka mahirap kasi benchmark natin dito, yung mga medals at saka mga achievements ni Sec. Jen Eric, di ba? Yun ang minimum dyan sa ating mga, and just like this one, itong ating bagong event dito, di ba? Sec. Jen and former chair ng PSC, itong open water. It's a new event for us. And ang tanong mo nga dito ngayon kanina kay Anthony, kasama ba ito sa Asian Games? Kasi ako, I always look at SEA Games, Asian Games, and then Olympics, yun ang target sa amin. Hindi pa tayo nakakabuo ng malakas. But then we'll start in SEA Games next year. and then go through other international tournaments in preparation for Olympics Open. No? So, ayun, again, we wish to thank everyone and again, congratulations for this big event. And of course, dito rin, mamimension natin, Southeast Asian to, maraming mga other countries that will come in. And as you know naman, the director also, chairman, when he came in, sports tourism. And talagang, even the place itself, Boracay, is befitting for our tourism, no? At sabi nga kanina, ikaw na magsasabi dyan na hindi lang Southeast Asian to, meron din mga other countries that are participating. No? In between, meron daw. So siguro si Anthony lang mag-explain yan. Pero basically, it hits both our training for our future open water swimmers, and then at the same time, it's sports tourism. Big time.
Yes.
Again, thank you.
Before we start our Q&A,